Hello everyone. So in yesterday's video we looked at rounding 4-digit numbers to the nearest hundred and placing them on a number line. In today's lesson we're going to be looking at rounding 4-digit numbers to the nearest thousand and putting them on a number line.
So we've got three numbers here. We've got 3,655, we've got 3,362, and we've got 3,834. And they're going to go into one of these three boxes. So to know where they're going to go, we're going to need to know what these intervals here are. And we know that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces between 3,000 and 3,500. And we know that there's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more spaces between 3,500 and 4,000. So if there's 5 spaces between 3,000 and 3,500, we should know that they're going up in multiples of 100. So let's put those on our graph. We've got 3,100, 3,200, 3,300 and 3,400. Continuing in multiples of 100 past the midway part, past 3,500 we've got 3,600, 3,700, 3,800 and 3,900. Okay, so now we should be able to think which one of these three numbers is going to be in between 3,300 and 3,400. Well, it's not going to be 3,655, not going to be 3,834, but would 3,362 fit in between 3,300 and 3,400? It will. What's going to go in between 3,600 and 3,700? 3,800 is too high, it's past the 3,700, but 3,655 is going to be just about in the middle between 3,600 and 3,700, which is why that arrow is pointing just past the middle point between those two numbers. Finally, between 3,800 and 3,900, we've got our last number, which is 3,834. So there we go, we've decided whereabouts on our number line those three numbers fit between 3,000 and 3,400. The next thing I've asked you to do in today's work on Seesaw is to decide whether they round down, whether our numbers we're looking at round down to the 1,000 before 3,000, or whether they're going to round up, whether they're closer to that 4,000, our next 1,000. To do that, as we've done in our previous two lessons, you're going to need to think about what number is going to be exactly in the middle between your two thousands. The number exactly in the middle between 3,000 and 4,000 here is going to be, try and make it nice and clear for you, 3,500. Any number less than that is going to have to round down to 3,000, and if it's any number bigger than that, it's going to round up to our next 1,000, which is 4,000. Once we've got that clear in our minds, it's nice and easy to see which of these are going to round down. There's only one number that's less than our midway point. So the number that rounds down is going to be 3,362. That is closer to 3,000 because this number here is halfway. These two numbers are both bigger than our halfway point, so they're going to round up to 4,000. So they're closer, that's all rounding is asking you to know. Is it closer to this number or this number? They're past halfway, they're closer to 4,000, so they're going to round up to 4,000. So we've got 3,655 and we've got 3,834. Both of them are going to round up to 4,000 because they're past that halfway point. They're past half of 1,500, they're past 3,500.
Right, hope that helped. As always, if you've got any questions or you're not sure about anything, just send me a message on Seesaw and I'll try and help you out with it.